Hi, beauty lovers! Watch Munir transform these hair colors into beauty. Such a satisfying process. Starting off with the roots to lighten them a bit, and then moving on to the ends. Don't you guys hate it when the roots grow? 'Cause I sure do. Bleaching the roots and the ends as well to have that amazing turnout. Time to wash the bleach out and apply hair dye only on the roots. That toner is really going to twist up this color so beautifully. Do you guys find this process satisfying? Wow, that is definitely the prettiest hair transformation for this summer. Would you guys try this hair transformation for this season? Are you excited to watch Munir get rid of that bright red hair color? That hair color remover is definitely a lifesaver. It's bleach time. That is already looking so different from before. Using foils definitely makes the process move along way faster. Dyeing the roots with a darker hair color first and then spreading the color to the rest of the hair. You can already see the difference, can't you? OMG, this hair transformation is looking so pretty. Such an amazing way to do quite a big change on your look.